Are you struggling to organize your church service in EasyWorship 7? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to build a complete schedule, from songs to scriptures and media, so your service runs smoothly without stress. Let's get started. First, launch EasyWorship 7 on your computer. Once it opens, look to the right-hand side of the screen. This is your schedule panel. This is where everything for your service will be arranged. Click on the Songs tab. You can search for any song in your library. Once you find your song, simply double-click it, or drag and drop it into the schedule. Repeat this process to add all your worship songs. Now click on the Scripture tab. Choose your preferred Bible version. Then type in your verse, for example, John 3 verse 16. Drag and drop and it will appear in your service lineup. Next, go to the Media tab. Here, you can add videos, images, or even PowerPoint slides. Just drag and drop any media file into the schedule. This is useful for sermons, announcements, or special presentations. Now let's organize everything. Click and drag items up or down in the schedule to arrange them in order. Once everything is set, go to File and click Save Schedule. Or simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This allows you to reuse or edit the schedule later. And that's how you create a schedule in EasyWorship 7. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ITInsider for more helpful tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you want a video on advanced EasyWorship tips.